Mastic gum, also known as mastica, mastia, or scientifically known as Pistacia lentiscus, is a resin derived from the mastic tree, which is commonly found in the Mediterranean basin. This resin is collected and left to dry and harden to then be used in various applications varying from health benefits to parts of numerous countries' cuisines. Chios, Greece is the main producer of mastic gum and have even been given the exclusive rights to produce Chios mastic by the European Union. Cheshme, Turkey, and parts of the northern Iraq are also producers of mastic. The resin is extracted from the mastic tree through a process of multiple small cuts into the tree, which cause the resin to drip out slowly in teardrop shapes, which actually give them the nickname from the locals as the Tears of Chios. Mastic gum is used heavily in cuisines of countries on the Mediterranean. Desserts, as seen here, such as muhallebi, Maraş dondurması, also known as a popular type of Turkish ice cream, also known as kesme dondurması because it's easy to be cut by a knife, and buza ice cream as is known in the Middle East. The mastic gives the ice cream a thick and stretchy consistency and the ability to withstand the high temperatures of these areas without quickly melting. If you get a chance and live near the east coast of the US, there is an ice cream shop called The Republic of Buza where you can actually find this delicious cold dessert to taste it for yourself. Or if you find yourself taking a trip to Turkey for vacation, take a moment to enjoy the sleight of hand of the Turkish ice cream vendors. They will be easy to find with traditionally wearing a red fez on their head. Mastic is also used for many health benefits. These include anti-inflammatory, antioxidative properties, the ability to help lower cholesterol levels, help reduce stomach bacteria. In this case, it is Helicobacter pylori, which naturally is found in our stomach, but large doses can cause ulcers and eat away at the stomach lining. And lastly, chewing mastic can help reduce bacteria in the mouth, which in return can help prevent gingivitis, cavities, and periodontal disease. This is another reason why you'll find mastic used in chewing gum. Hope you guys enjoyed this basic understanding of what mastic gum is. I hope to give you guys a recipe using it soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you again for your time and listening. Hope to see you guys next week with a new video.